akin yan. Thank you ah.
Flowers for you.
Ay, thank you.
Jan Morante nga pala.
Diana nga pala, kuya.
Loving can hurt. Loving can hurt sometimes.
Ang tagal naman niya.
Ay, sorry ah. Late ako ah.
Bye lang. Sige po ka muna.
John!
Waiter. Tsaka, tinapay na ng bread.
Huwag mong sabihin na ako lang yung pera ko. 20 lang naman dito.
Bread. Share.
Sino lang tayo?
Sir, water.
Okay, thank you.
Hindi maaaring ito.
Fish yan. And then,
Lemonade.
ano?
Ang tagal naman niya.
All the times that you rain on me.
Sorry, I'm late. Flowers for you.
Okay ka?
Sorry nga pala.
All the times you get in
Thank you ah.
my name. Think you broke my heart.
Sabi ko yun.
Anong sasabihin mo?
You think I'm crying on my own again. You didn't wanna write a song, 'cause I didn't want anyone thinking I still care but don't. But you still hit my phone up. And baby, I'll be moving on, and I think it should be something. I'm only one call away. I'll be there to save the day. Superman got nothing on me. I'm only one call away. Call me baby if you need a friend. I just wanna give you love. Come on, come on, come on. Reaching out to you, so take a chance.
Sino tumututol?
Ang parang basura.
Totoo ba kayong nagmamahalan?
Totoo po!
Miss Teana Santos, tinatanggap mo ba si Mr. Sampton Jan Morante bilang asawa habang buhay?
Opo, padre.
Ikaw, Mr. Sampton Jan Morante, tinatanggap mo ba si Miss Diana Santos bilang kabiyak ng iyong buhay?
Ako pala.
Mamahalin kita hani hanggang buhay.
Mamahalan kita habang buhay kahit hanggang kamatayan.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss the... Three, two, one, go na pala.
Superman.